Hello guys, this is Zhou Project C Part 2 presentation about artifactual model. Okay, this presentation has 3 units. Project Brave, it is some kinds of conclusion of my project before this unit. And then the artifactual model, there are some difference between my project and general smart pillbox because I chose free trial as my most important promotion method. I will explain it in this part. And customer interaction, the L interaction between my brand, my product, and the customer, like the whole process is about how they know my brand, how to use it, and some others. My brand name is Inbox. This is Smart Pillbox. My most important customer are the people who take medicine regularly, elderly people, or finger function limited, like like Parkin, par, Parkinson, Parkinson um, disease, Parkinson disease, like the people who have the Parkinson disease. Uh, and the last one has experience about missing medication or misusing or overdose. It is important because in my interview, most of people who need to take medicine regularly all meet these problems. I think it's a serious problem. The competitive competitive brands in the market now are not too much. They are it's good news to me. Um, the another good news is their function and target user are similar, and their disadvantages are similar too. The smart pillbox is designed for people who need to take medicine regularly. A big part of them, a big part of these people are old people, old men. Their body functions, um, I have to say, their body functions um, degenerate. Um, sorry, not just only finger function, maybe has some like eye function, like moving function. It's kind of that. The smart pill boxes in market are not kind to this group perfectly. This is a lack of function, but I think it is not the most important part um, because there's a technique problem. The real key opportunity, in my opinion, is promotion. As a new product and new market, there are lots of potential customers that didn't realize they need a pillbox, right? I think some traditional promotion methods like TV or website advertisements are too inefficient, too inefficient. So my solution is free trial. This is the best concept, I think. Um, Focused on this, on this product, on this target users. The order of general artifactual model for smart pillbox is like that. Awareness. People get information about your brand and the product. They they interested in it and buy it, and waiting for the Amazon case or get it from supermarket. They open the package. Uh, we we give our customer the surprise um, in the process of out of box. A clear direction tell users how to use it, and then they're gonna use it, they're gonna feel it. Is that good to use, or are there some part need to improve? If the customer thinks it is good, he will keep it. But if he don't like it, the product will be returned. This is general one. But my artifactual model is about free trial. So the most important part is not awareness, it is using process. Because this step decides purchase or return. If in general artifactual model, the most important part is awareness, because after it, people need to decide purchase or not, or just take a look. So as a new product, if you only have one step, it cannot give people the product information. How to sorry. I want to say, as a new product, if you only have one step, give people the product information, it is not enough, and hard to let old people buy it due to their I'm not sure. I think it's okay, because I think old people, they are prudent. How to say prudent? Smart. It kind of like that. Smart on money. Use free travel. Use my promotion method. I have 4 steps to make them know my smart pillbox. It is new, specific in impression, in how to say in general artifactual model. You watch um, advertisements maybe on TV. Most of people will not make a purchase decision to an annual product, right? But after you use it, in free travel, you use it, uh, it is your habit, hard to give up. It will become your habit and hard to give up. Okay, in the introduction of every step, I have some designs. First, no TV or website advertisement. Email to every potential customer is my way. Um, you will ask how to find them, how to find the potential customer. Um, I got I got the members of each community, um, medical institutions and church. I think these people, this group can cover a lot of my target customers. And then the concept of the gift. The gift concept is important. It is not a sale, for customer. The gift concept means it is not a sales promotion. It is a good opportunity to enjoy a new and useful product free. I have to say, people like to gain extra advantage. The trail is free, but there is a record of usage experience in email of one own accord. You know, it is not just for feedback. If people use product as a task, if people use a product as a task, they will be more serious and more, more close to the product. Lots of people miss troubles in taking medicine, but they don't realize this. This task can help these people find this problem, can help them to realize the real problem in their life with taking medicine. After you choose free trial, you will get the box of my product. The package and the step of open the package are all important. A clear package and delight out-of-box experience will give customer a good first impression. And then the installation. The part includes software and hardware. The software is downloaded to customers' smartphone, but my customers are elderly people, so the easy of use, the easy of understand is important to them. Not just installation, but also the application. The hardware is still in working. Automatically charge the function of my the key function and spirit technical matter. I'm designing the suitable structure now, and it didn't completed. In using process, the most important step, I list 4 key points. Automatically charge is a new function, and other smart pillbox cannot do it. The alert and notification are basic functions. The pop-up cup is designed for reduce fingers work for my customers. My target customers, they're the how to say, the fingers function or like body function and not so good, so I think it's valuable. The function is valuable. On time, on medicine time to take the pills, the cap pops up. You don't need to open any little cap with your finger. The free using period is 1 month, not too long, not too short. After free trial period, if customer like it, just buy it. Don't like it, return it back. The feedback is free will, but I think when people get advantage first, most of them will like to give me suggestion or feedback, because the people who retain it, it's now the end. They are still my target customer after improving my smart pillbox. The next. Okay, next stage. There are some my tasks in next stage about maybe first like function realization, UI and graphic parts, and the most important simple tasks. But this all my this week's work. Thank you for watching my presentation.